Hamstring Injury and Training Workshop Introduction. So the aim of this workshop is to provide a theoretical and practical overview for fitness professionals of how and why hamstring injuries occur in sports. Also to introduce concepts for strengthening and rehabilitation from research-based evidence. The objective of this workshop are that by the end of this workshop, students should have an understanding of the incident rates, risk factors, pathophysiology and mechanics of hamstring injury. It's also to understand how researchers approach the concept of hamstring strengthening and rehabilitation through the use of different modalities, and to understand how strength imbalances can affect the occurrence rate and reoccurrence rate in sports. It's to gain knowledge and experience of how to carry out hamstring-specific strengthening exercises and learn how to program and add hamstring-related strength training into the workouts of clients and athletes. So workshop details. Minimum requirements. Well, students should have a level 2 gym instructor or studio instructor qualification or above. Duration is 6 hours in total, with 6 reps points being awarded as continued professional development. What do you need? Well, access to a gym for the guided learning practice for both the exercises and sessions, and access to a smartphone, tablet or computer. There are no assessments with this workshop. Endorsement. This workshop is endorsed by Skills Active and Reps for CPD as long as you meet the minimum requirements. Training provider with this workshop is a Quantum HFE CPD workshop, and Quantum HFE is an endorsed provider with Skills Active. So how does it work? Well, download the manual and the learner resource guide PDFs, then watch the presentations. You want to complete the review questions after each presentation and complete any guided practice after each presentation. Then complete the online quiz to test your understanding, and then complete the guided learning hours form, after which you'll be able to access your certificate immediately. The learner management system will mark each stage when completed, so you can't just skip to the end and complete the quiz and guided learning hours form. So here we see the workshop breakdown, which just details the observation and guided learning practice, which totals the 6 hours of guided learning hours for this particular workshop. So for completion, once you've completed the workshop, it will be categorized under complete courses on the learner management system. You'll be able to access your certificate at any time to download for work or for your REPS CPD logbook. You'll also be able to access and rewatch any of the presentations at any time. So all you need to do now is just agree to the workshop requirements on the learner management system and then get started on the next module.